Hi, this is a simple to-do list design in which HTML and CSS code are kept very simple, and this design is using pure JavaScript. The design will be able to add new tasks. Here I have used linear gradient as background image and the display as flex. For alternative list item I have added different background colors, and hovering on list item will also change its color. On hovering the X button, this will also show different color. I have included media query also. Now let us move to the coding part. This is the index.html file. There is a form which will be used for inserting task, the taskboard div, and a clear link for clearing the taskboard. The app functionality will be implemented in JavaScript file, and this todo.j is the JavaScript file for the above HTML code. Firstly, the function load event is called. This function is responsible for grouping all the events that the app is going to listen. Within the load event function, there is a first event listener that listens to the submission event on the form and calls the function that submit, which is responsible for first to prevent the default behavior of a form submission. We do not want to have the page updated, and then it checks if the string entered is empty or not. If it is not empty, it calls the function addTask with the string submitted as a parameter. The addTask function is responsible for adding the task into the taskboard. It first locates the UL element in the page, secondly creates a new LI element, then it assigns and formats how the task should appear on the taskboard. Lastly, it appends the new LI element within the UL tag. An event of click on the clear link is listened, which has the ID of clear. After this event, the clear list function is called and set the UL inner HTML to an empty string, removing every previous HTML tag that was within the tag UL, removing every element in the list. The delete or task, let me scroll it down. The delete or tick function help us with that. It basically checks the class name of the element that was clicked. It has the class name of delete. It calls the delete task function, else it calls the tick task function. The delete task function first gets the parent element of the target, which is the LI element. Then it gets the parent node of the LI element, which is the UL element. Lastly, it calls the remove child on the parent element and takes as the parameter the LI element selected, which is then removed from the DOM. The tick task function starts with constant equal to task const task equal to e.target.next sibling. This line of code gets the task text that is within the LI element. E.target is the tick button, so e.target next sibling is the actual task. Then it checks if it was checked. If it was, it changes the text decorations to line through and change the text color. If it was unchecked, it changes the text decoration to none and changes back the text color. Now let us run the HTML file, so we will be able to see the final output. Here I am going to open it in browser. Here is the simple to-do list task. Here if I will add Java and give enter, then I am adding C++. Either pressing enter or clicking on this add button, it will add it into my list. Now if I want to delete it, it will delete it. If I want to check it, then there will be line through this list item. If I want to add any item from the drop down list, it will add that. Now if I want to clear all the items at once, this function will do that. Thank you.